are playing Mario Kart World.
That's right, assistant. So we've got an important question to answer right off the bat.
What?
Are we going to do knockout tour or are we going to do...
Let's do knockout tour.
Knockout tour. I think that's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
All right, so you've got to set up and we will...
okay.
And we'll go from there.
Woo!
So people, we've been playing Super Mario World for a while now. We want to get your feedback. Have you played? If so, what do you like about it?
Okay, starting knockout tour.
I forgot how you jump.
I can't tell you.
Yeah, you gotta tell me.
It's you hold down ZR.
Hold down ZR. I can do that. I can do that. All right, so
this one. Okay, I picked mine. And jump. Yes. Seems like a good route.
I like it. All right, so we are doing knockout tour. So every time, I think what 4 people get knocked out until the end.
I don't know. This one's like best of 20, I think.
Really? I thought like each.
It says be 20th or better.
I think we do 20th or better. That's not too crazy hard.
Who are you, Toad?
I'm Toad.
Oh, I like Toad. Have you gotten the burger skin?
I don't think so. Maybe I'll get it right now.
That was my favorite.
Ooh, somebody's dropping some coinage. Ooh, I got Explorer Toad.
Toad's outfits are my fave.
I am racing. All right, so you got me 20th or better. I'm in 19th.
Oh, yikes.
Well, that's not good. If I'm out in the first round, assistant, I don't even know what I'll do. I don't even know what happens if I... That would be a tragedy.
Oh my gosh.
It would be a tragedy if I was not... Oh, wait a minute.
I literally see you.
I'm in first place. I'm a flying!
I keep getting hit by stuff.
I'm sorry. So, people at home, what have you been doing this summer? Oh, man! Oh, man, I got hit again! Oh, I'm in 8th now. I was doing so well. And now I'm barely ahead of you. Oh, no!
You fell off the map?
I fell off the map. This is a problem. I'm now in 19th.
You're 19th now?
Yes. I'm in 20th!
Yikes!
I went from first.
Oh my gosh, and the finish line's right up here! I think. Oh, no way they just did that.
Oh, this is a problem. I've got a problem. Since I might not finish.
Ooh, I got rocked. I'm in 7, 9, 10, 11.
We're gonna get knocked out.
Okay, I'm good.
Whew, I made it.
Not very.
But now
not
it's
a very
top
good
16,
ride.
and I'm already in. Whoa, I'm giant.
Okay. Woo!
All right. Oh no! I got. It's top 16, assistant, or we're getting knocked out.
I'm in 8th.
I'm in 16th.
Oh.
I have no room for failure.
Woo!
Oh, I got flattened.
I'm in 3rd.
Good job. Good job.
Fourth, third. First!
Are you? Are you? Are you now? I've been in every single position in this race. Oh, now I'm in second.
I'm in first.
Watch out for the skeleton fish.
Woo!
Oh no!
What?
I got stuck behind that thing.
Here's the finish line.
Oh no! Top 16! Oh no! I'm in second.
I'm first.
All I know is somebody's in a blue shell.
No!
All right, top 12, top 12.
Oh, I'm like sombrero. I have like a sombrero on.
You knocked me out of the way! No fair! Well, I'm in 10th. Uh-oh, I can't.
I'm in 11th.
This is pretty intense, pretty intense.
Yikes!
So, oh, I'm on two wheels, I'm on two, oh, I hit a car head on. This is very intense. Well, I don't even know what race this is.
Oh no.
Where is this finish line?
We like just started this one. Oh no, it's right here.
No!
Ah!
I'm in 9th!
I'm in 4th.
I'm in 11th! Yo! I made it. That was close. That's the closest I've been.
I like this outfit I have on. I'm like wearing a sombrero. Oh no, I gotta sneeze.
Like the you in the game has to sneeze, or the you that's like.
But it's gone.
Did you sneeze?
No.
How were you able to control your sneeze?
I just was. No, I'm in at 11th.
You can't be in 11th.
I'm in 12th.
You gotta be in the top 8.
I'm in last. That sneeze, it messed me up.
I could see how a sneeze would really mess somebody up. I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but I see a finish line. Oh, it's not.
That's not the finish line. I'm in 8th now.
Okay, good.
Now I'm in 9th. Now I'm in 10th. I'm a rocket!
No, that bus!
What the heck? That happened
bus!
to me too!
Oh no, that bus really wrecked my day!
It ran me over.
Oh no! No, 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 no!
Oh my gosh, comeback of the season. I'm in 1st.
I'm in 8th!
Well, I see the finish line's right here.
That bus really messed me up!
Boom! Shakalaka! You like barely made it.
Oh. That was tough. Top 4, and I'm not in it right now.
I'm in 2nd.
That bus, man. What was that bus doing?
Tick, tick, boom! No! Bruh. Blue shells, what the heck?
Yeah, that was me. That was me. But I didn't know you were in the lead.
skin. I'm a cow. Oh, there's cows everywhere.
I'm a toad.
I ran into the cow. Why are there cows everywhere? Oh my gosh, the finish line's right here. Stop trying to aim for me!
I'm not!
I see you!
No, I actually held. I had one more shell left. I waited. This one's for the win!
It is.
We made it to the... I'm in 4th place, though.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm in 4.
I was in 1st for like a microsecond.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No!
That's me!
No!
That's me!
I helped you. I did a blue shell.
Sweet! I'm not saying I won, but I won.
But you only won because of me.
Yes, I only won because of you, assistant. My superior racing ability had nothing to
If
do.
I did not do that blue shell, you would have gotten 3rd.
Actually, I had a red shell and I got them both with the same red shell.
No, you did not.
I did.
I got him with my blue shell.
That probably helped. I'm not saying your blue shell didn't help. Should we rewatch the entire race?
You can replay.
I've got a crown. You see that? That's called my crown. I've got a crown. My crown is on my head. Wait a minute. Somebody's like firing stuff at me.
It's not me.
Alright, should we do a regular race?
Hold on. Stay right there.
What are you doing? What am I right there?
Ah! Where'd you go? I see you.
I'm driving the wrong way on the road. This makes it really hard for me to keep my crown. I'm gonna go in the water.
Why'd you go in the water?
Makes it easier. What are you doing? You rammed me!
Woo!
Alright, so what kind of race are we gonna do next? We did a knockout race. No, you're just trying to knock off my crown.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Then why are you right behind me?
I'm not right behind you. I'm by the jellyfish. Ah! Why do you keep turning in circles?
Because I'm ready to race!
What are we doing?
What kind of race do you want to do?
I don't know. I think we should only play one.
One race for all the marbles?
Yeah. And Kong is gonna be hard.
Ooh.
Okay. Ready?
I didn't know you could throw a banana in the water. It's kind of crazy.
Let's go.
So 3 races, hard, 1 minute intermissions.
We're only doing one of the races though.
Only one?
Yes.
Only one? Alright, I suppose. I've got a crown. The crown is on my head.
Yes, Toad Factory.
What? What?
Toad's Factory. I practiced on this one.
Really?
I practiced on all of them.
The assistant has a lot of practice on it. Why are you ahead of me? I finished first.
Because I started it.
Not fair.
Look, look at me. I hit all of those power-ups.
Oh, I didn't. Just kidding, I did too. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, you got that power up for me. Why? Why?
It was just a coin. Oh my gosh, I just got frozen.
Yeah, that was me. My frozen abilities. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4. Whoa!
Dude, I just hit my own banana.
Don't banana yourself! No!
Oh my god!
And I lost my crown!
Bro, I had a sound box I was waiting to use on you.
But I lost my crown!
Yeah, it worked out into it. It's raining!
It is raining for sure.
I need something good. Because I'm not doing so good.
Assistant, proper English is I'm not doing so well.
Blue shell!
Not me!
On its way. Oh my gosh. These cars! Cars are so annoying.
You know what? They are pretty annoying. Oh, car! I hit a car. So annoying. Oh, man!
I missed the food! I missed the food! Oh
What
my
is
God.
going on? People just keep... Oh, I'm engineer. I'm engineer, Mr. Engineer.
Come on! Any day now. Dude. Oh, I thought that was the last one. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got smashed into a toad cake.
Blue shell on its way.
Oh.
Yeah, pass
Assistant! Why'd you do that?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Later, assistant. You got like a sombrero. No!
Oh my gosh. So annoying.
No!
I'm at 10.
No! I'm in 7th. That means 6 people finished ahead of me.
Bruh. Alright. Well, that's our game for the day, right?
Yeah, so thanks for watching, right?
Right.
Assistant?
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
And subscribe and like. Bye.
Bye.